Hey guys, okay, so this is the one everybody's been waiting for and everybody's been wanting to know how to do. And that's how to get these scribes onto these pew-pews, right? How are we going to do this? How do we get these shapes? How do we actually get this to embed? And how do we put a name in there? So I want to go over some of the basics of this. First things first, you're going to need to have the shape that is pertinent to what you are going to be filling in with this pattern. So this is my pattern, right? So in order to do that, there's a lot of places online that you can get these from. You can also scan it in, you can draw it out. However you do it, it does need to be precise. But what I want to show you right now is how to get this into this. So in order to do that, I'm going to take these two pieces because this is the piece we're going to engrave most likely on our MOPA or our fiber, right? And I'm going to go ahead and group those two. I'm grouping these guys, right click, group, or Control G, so that this becomes one combined shape. I'm going to take my art that I have here and let me go ahead and make sure that that is filled so we can kind of see what we're doing. And I am going to overlap them. Let me scroll in just a hair here. So I'm going to overlap them. And because I'm going to want this to be, on two pieces, maybe I stretch it. Maybe the piece is big enough. Maybe I want it kind of right here. Either way, that really doesn't matter right now. What matters is how you get this inside that image. So we are going to select both of these, making sure that this is all grouped, right? It's all solid. This is grouped. It is all solid. I'm going to select both so that everything is selected. I'm going to Control or Command B on my keyboard, and that's going to bring up my Boolean assist. And that is going to help me determine how to get this shape or this scroll inside that shape. Hit OK. And now I can line it up on the laser using either my camera or eyeballing it, however you guys do it. I don't have a camera. If you do, that's awesome. But that's how we're going to get that shape in there. So let's do it again with the handle, just real quick. So let's say it's this shape here, right here is where I want this. So I'm going to go ahead and place this however I want it to lay out in that handle. Right, click both of them. Right click, everything looks good, everything is grouped, everything is grouped. Select them both again, Command or Control B, and let's see. That's about where I want it, hit OK. Now I can actually ungroup these. I don't need this part, I just need this part. Group this, and now again, I can set it wherever I need to set it on my plate to go ahead and engrave.